Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to hand over a site to clients with Wix Studio. This is an essential process when you finish building a website for a client and need to transfer full control and ownership to them. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and on your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to the overview of all the websites you're currently managing. From this page, you can preview the website settings you have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the correct website you wish to hand over to your client. It's always good practice to double check before initiating any transfer, as you want to ensure you're giving them access to the right project. Once you've confirmed it's the correct site, you're ready to move forward. Now locate the Edit Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed to the next stage of the handover process. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens when building and customizing your site. From here, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the Wix Studio menu. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. From the drop-down menu, select Site, and then from the additional options that appear, select Transfer Site. This is the key feature that allows you to initiate the handover process. A new browser window will appear, and from the Transfer Site window, you'll be prompted to enter your client's email to hand the site control over. Type in your client's email address carefully to ensure there are no mistakes. After entering the email, you'll notice the window expands. You'll now be asked to describe who you'll be transferring this site to from the options a client, an agency, or freelancer, or someone else. Choose the option that best fits your situation and click on Continue. And that's it, you've successfully handed your site over to your client. They'll receive an email notification with instructions on how to accept the transfer and gain full control of the site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.